Before calling the professional, maybe it's DIYable.
Welcome to another DIY project. This time, we are having fun to make ice lantern. We are taking advantage of the cold temperature in winter. I am gonna show you how to make the wooden mold using simple materials from the local hardware store such as plywood and 6x6 post. It's very important to have a proper design. Without that, the ice will get stuck and not able to release from the mold. Of course, we will use my favorite product, Flex Seal, to do waterproofing. Learn from my mistakes and how to avoid failure. Finally, you should be able to make one successfully. I don't consider myself as a woodworking person. As you can see, I don't even have a proper woodworking bench. I believe any one of you is able to turn a 6x6 post into a star. At that point, I thought it would be easier to remove the ice if I were able to separate the bottom. So I removed the caulking and used plumber's putty instead. Also, I sprayed the Teflon snow and ice repellent. Guess what? The plumber's putty did a good job. It's minus 20 Celsius. No water leak. At the end of the day, I still couldn't remove the ice from the wooden mold. I tried all of this, so you don't have to. Going back to the drawing board, there is a fundamental mistake I made. This top part has to be smaller than the bottom. If that's not a successful DIY project, I don't know what is. I hope this helps. Give this a thumbs up if you find some good information in this video. My goal is to inspire more people into DIY. Remember to check out other videos on my channel. I am pretty sure you will get some inspiration out of them. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.